What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe and hit that like button. Thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Yes, I am. It is my first Dollar Tree DIY Christmas project of 2023, so I'm excited about this one. I did see this idea on TikTok and I thought it was super duper cute, so I'm like, let me try this out. So I have some pipes here. I have my stocking, some leaves, and some berry clusters. I have my hot glue gun, but I think I'm not going to use it for this project. And I also have a noodle here, which you're not going to see. And you're also going to need to recycle some plastic bags from your local grocery store. So go ahead and get those, maybe about 4 or 5 of them. But I'm excited about this. I hope y'all are too. Leave me a comment down below. Say, hey T. Okay, I hope your December is going very, very well. I miss y'all, so I'm, sprinkling in here and there. But I've been doing YouTube shorts, so check out all my YouTube shorts as well. Because I did upload some little mini walkthroughs and stuff through Target. Showing what they had, and I'm going to upload one for Dollar Tree and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started with this project. All right, sweeties, so I have my bags. So I'm just going to set them to the side right here while I cut off all my tags. Pop them, pop, lock, and drop them. I'm excited, y'all. I haven't recorded a video in over a month. Sometimes you just need to step back and take a break, that's just with everything in life. Sometimes you just got to step back and take a mental break and, practice self-care routines and stuff like that. I honestly didn't feel like recording. I wouldn't say, a lot of people go through, I know a lot of people go through, seasonal depression, and that's not me this year, thank God. My heart goes out to the ones who are experiencing seasonal depression this year. I just didn't feel like recording. I just wanted to take a break, and so I did. I just had finished Vlogtober, so I did Vlogtober, and I thought about doing Vlogmas, but I'm like, don't even put yourself through it, just relax. And besides, for some reason, when I do Vlogtober and Vlogmas and stuff, my views are not the best, so I'm like, I'm not doing that, even though that's what got me monetized on YouTube last year, Vlogtober or Vlogmas. I did Vlogmas last year, and I kept it going after December, and I ended up getting monetized on YouTube last year. So I'm very appreciative of that, but I just was not in the mood for any vlogging or any recording, uploading every day. I needed a break. So I hope you understand, but I'm here now, so let's get into it. So let's put these bags, hold on, get this off. Let's put these bags into the bottom of our stocking. I did not see this hook inside of the stocking when I purchased the stocking. I was looking for the hook, but I didn't see it, but here it is. So we're gonna start with balling our bags up and stuffing our stockings at the very bottom. Just like that. Okay. Then you're gonna measure your noodle, and you're going to want to cut 2 pieces. And you want to stop before you get to, you want to stop? You want to cut it before it pokes out the white part, okay? Okay, save this for another DIY project. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these both inside of our stocking. Once you pull your hook out, your ribbon, I call it the hook. Just like that. You can choose the hot glue, or you can choose to just poke them inside the noodles, which I'm just going to poke them inside the noodles and see how that works. If I don't like it, if I don't think it's sturdy enough, I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue. But I'm trying to make this a glueless project because I love a glueless project. So let's go ahead and start poking them in, and we're going to play with the berries and the leaves and just kind of spread them out and see how we like it. So I basically just stuck both of the leaves in each of the holes of my noodles, just like that. And before I put my berries in, I'm going to go ahead and spread my leaves out, just so it can look a little more full than it is right now. You can hang this on your mantelpiece, on your door, anywhere in your home you would like. Give it to someone. Super duper easy, quick, simple, budget friendly. And that's why I love Dollar Tree DIY projects, because you can take the cheapest items and just make them look so good. Make sure y'all's giving this video a thumbs up if you want to see some more Dollar Tree DIY projects. If you have any ideas, go ahead and hit me up. And I have a few ideas that some family members had sent me, and I didn't forget about y'all. If y'all's watching this, I didn't forget about y'all. I do plan to do these projects very, very soon. Like, my godmom's always sending me ideas. My cousin's always sending me ideas. So thank y'all so much for that. I've gotten ideas from my supporter. Well, they are my supporters, but you know, like, from everybody else who watches the channel. Like, I've gotten, you know, ideas from other people as well. So don't think I'm ignoring y'all. And also with the comment section, like, I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. All right, so let's poke this berry cluster in here and just spread it to your liking. So you want some in the front, the sides, the back. There's only 4 of them, but we can make it work. Kind of want to bend this one towards the front. And this one, I kind of want to pull it to the back and up, just like that. This one's kind of close. Let's scoot this over. How are y'all liking this so far? If you made it to this point of the video, go ahead and put a cupcake, because you are so sweet. Y'all are my sweeties. Put a cupcake in the comment section if you made it to this part of the video, so I can know who's really, 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 really watching the videos all the way through. Yeah, that's how I be knowing. But let's see. So here's what we have so far. Let's put our other berries in. Let's cook them through one of the noodles. Oh, this one is stuck. Oh, that sucks. I feel like when I pull it apart, they're all gonna fall off. Okay. Oop. And oop. It worked out. Okay. So it's coming along. You just have to play with them, like I said, to get them to where you want them to go. This one is kind of like, I think I'm gonna have to cut one of these off, and I guess that's where the hot glue comes in at, where they just kind of want to go back to where they want to go, not where you want them to go. Make them stick. Yeah, so let me cut this stem. Come on out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Need some wire cutters. You pull it out, and if you just kind of bend it back and forth, it'll pop eventually, just like that. And so I can take this berry cluster and kind of just put it into this side here. Don't forget, you can stick it right into your noodles. Hear that? Yeah. So there we go. Oh, and oop, let's cut this one too. This back in there. Now this one I'm going to put right here on the corner and just stick it in my noodle. So listen, you don't really need glue for this project. All right, so I have my floral arrangement the way I want it to be. So because our loop here is so short, I'm gonna use a red pipe, and go around the loop, twist it, and then that can be my extended hook for me to be able to hang my stocking. So twist, twist, twist. Shimmy it around. And there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed this super duper cute, easy, budget friendly Dollar Tree DIY Christmas project. If you want to see more, leave me a comment down below. Also give this video a fat thumbs up so I know you enjoyed the video. Share and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the content. Click the bell to be notified each and every time I post more content. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, and I'm out. Peace.